A sleek Boeing 737-2025 taxiing on the runway, with smooth cinematic shots of its exterior. The Boeing 737 has been a staple of commercial aviation for decades, and in 2025, it continues to evolve with cutting-edge technology and efficiency. This latest iteration brings improvements in fuel economy, passenger comfort, and overall performance, making it one of the most attractive choices for airlines worldwide. Designed with sustainability in mind, the 737-2025 incorporates advanced aerodynamics, lightweight composite materials, and next-generation engines that reduce emissions while maintaining exceptional range and speed. Cut to a close-up of the engine, showing intricate details. One of the standout features of the 737-2025 is its upgraded CFM International LEAP 1B engines. These powerhouses deliver increased thrust while consuming significantly less fuel compared to previous generations. This translates to lower operating costs for airlines and fewer carbon emissions per flight. The redesigned winglets further enhance fuel efficiency by reducing drag, allowing the aircraft to fly farther with the same amount of fuel. Whether for short-haul regional routes or transcontinental journeys, the 737-2025 is built for versatility. Transition to the interior, showing spacious seating and modern cabin features. Inside the cabin, Boeing has focused on improving passenger experience. The 737-2025 features quieter engines, enhanced soundproofing, and mood lighting to create a more relaxing atmosphere. The larger windows provide better natural lighting, while the redesigned overhead bins offer more storage space. Seating has been optimized for comfort, with ergonomic designs and more legroom in economy class. Business class configurations also benefit from wider seats and modern in-flight entertainment systems, ensuring a premium experience for travelers. Cut to cockpit footage, showcasing the advanced avionics and digital displays. For pilots, the 737-2025 comes equipped with the latest avionics suite, featuring larger touchscreen displays, improved automation, and enhanced safety systems. Boeing's state-of-the-art flight management system ensures smoother operations, reducing pilot workload while maximizing efficiency. With its blend of reliability, innovation, and passenger-friendly upgrades, the Boeing 737-2025 continues the legacy of one of the world's most successful commercial aircraft.